Bling got him own show. Check it out on YouTube. We must show you fi cooking rice and peas and not food. Aki, saltfish fried up, Bling and color logo. Watch his show and tell your friend them fi follow to fried chicken, curry chicken, and them cook brown stew. If you want to learn fi cook, then I Bling the fi go to the porridge, the soup, and them cook up steak. Keep the link in the description if you want to know the Bling a cook.
Yes, people, welcome back one more time in a Bling kitchen, is it? Yeah, man, big up on yourself, is it? Me I say, yeah, people, I want to big up all of my new subscribers, them are just coming to you, is it? Me I say, manners and respect to you all, is it? Me I say, big up to the old one, them I did a long time, is it? Me I say, big up to you all, is it? Manners and respect, is it? Me I say, yeah, people, today I'm doing something very nice in my kitchen today, is it? Me I say, people, yeah, something very delicious to you, is it? But before me even gonna know what I'm going, I have some chicken type on my table, where I wash up and clean up and fresh up and nice. So me as a people, yeah people. So today I'm doing a honey glazed chicken thigh baking on my oven. So me I say people, yeah, so I'm done here what I go on already. So me I say, so right now I'm showing all of my ingredients what I put and deal with my thing, is me. But I want to big up the one that I don't subscribe it to, is it? If you don't subscribe me, I beg you please go over there and subscribe it free of cost. So me I say, press the bell button, press the thumb button, so me I say, press the bell button, all when I get notified when I drop my content them as them drop it. So me I say, so here people, I don't hear what I go on in my kitchen, so I'm showing all of my ingredients them what I use for my thing. So me I say, so just go and big up on yourself. Is it people? I'm showing you the season I use first. So me I say, I have some Maggi all purpose. I have a tablespoon of Maggi all purpose. I have a next tablespoon of my normal all purpose with all the herbs and all these things. So me I say, I have a teaspoon of paprika over there. So me I say, so this one I use season up the chicken thigh them now, is it? So I just combine everything together, people. My hand wash and clean, because I always know say yo cleanliness and godliness. So me I say, so make sure say you know hand wash and clean, is it? So right now me know the people, I just start season up my chicken thigh them now. So me I say, yeah man, because it's a nice dish in my kitchen today. So just go and tune in, go and watch what I go on, I go and season up the thing right now. Make sure say yo the season marinated right, is it? So just go and big up on yourself and go and tune in, is it? And I was respect to all, is what I say. One more day in my kitchen, is it? So yeah people, so right now the seasoning there and also I'm cover it. Now cover it up and then I'll come back and show you the rest of the ingredients them. If you go up on it, is it? Look at bits and bobs. So just go and show you and watch what I go on in my kitchen, is it? Chicken tie them over here, so I go and simmer them. Is it? I say, yeah man. So right now for the rest of my ingredients, is it? I got about 4 peg of garlic on here, so I'm gonna use. Is it? I say, I got some soya sauce, got some black pepper, got some thyme leaf, I got some reggae sauce, my honey there, so I have a little bit of ketchup too as well. So that's all my ingredients, and I use like a butter as well. So I just want to go and tune in, go and watch what I go on in my kitchen, and go and big up on yourself. I'm going to come back to you and just sort of kick off the process, is it? So that's why I'm big up out there, is it? Right now, things simmer down now, is it? So right now, kick off the process right now. So I have one frying pan up on the fire right now. I just turn it on, I just tip a little piece of butter in it. So I just want to go and tune in, and just want to watch what I go on, is it? Or I deal with my own, is it? So right now the butter, everything what you see me I put in right now, I'm just going to get the chicken, tie them a little flavor before I drop them in the oven. So I say, because the butter and the garlic I'm going to put up right now. Everything go and simmer in, is it people? So yeah people, just wait till the butter melt out and proper hot up, is what I say? And then I come back to it, is it? So the butter well hot and now, is it? It's on tuning and what so I want. So I just give one middle one 10-15 minutes in the pot and now, is it? But then go and take up some flavor, is what I say? Yeah, people, I bet you go and fry on each side for maybe about 3 minutes, up to 2 minutes. Then I turn it over and I bet you cooking at the pot for 15 minutes. You know, the people, so go and tune in and go and watch what I'm going on the kitchen. You see? The people are going to get the first turn and all. Yeah, people, this the next turn again. Come and have the fire pan, small flames as well as it. So you don't want to turn up the fire neither. You just want to get that flavor of the butter, you see? So every 3 minutes, or every 2 minutes, you give that turn. You know what I'm saying? Up to 15 minutes, but you can give up to 12 minutes, 10 minutes as well. But now they can go slow, you know, so come on all of the flavor of the butter, you see? So if you want to tune in and go on after I go on the kitchen, you know what I'm saying? Put the chicken pot over there, so you see that the sauce made a deal right now. So let's drop on a pot over here, so tip a little piece of butter in right now, you see? So the honey glazed sauce now, I make no people. So I don't want to go and tune in and watch what I go on. You see me I say? Some of my soya sauce, I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of soya sauce tonight. Ketchup as well, about a tablespoon. Same thing go with it. Reggae sauce. Need a tablespoon of that too. Some more thyme. About a teaspoon of thyme. Some more black pepper in there now. Then I put in the honey now, people. I put about 3 tablespoons of honey. So yeah, people, there's the sauce. Gonna glaze for the chicken thigh, you see? So yeah man, I just turn down the fire up on low fire as well. So I just make it warm up a little bit. And then I turn off the stove and then I come back to it, you see? Just go and tune in for the chicken over there. So chicken thigh, then I give it a turn. This first set I'm putting can come out in the next 2 minutes. One tune in and watch what I'm going on the kitchen, you see? People are going to take out the first set I'm going to put in earlier on. So yeah, then reach for them limit now. So them can come out now, you see? So these are the last 3 pieces I'm going to put in and then go and catch them flavor as well, you see? So yeah, and so I go on. So then they having all of the flavor them, isn't it? So yeah man, the butter and the garlic, isn't it? Yeah people, the last set them I take out of the pot now. Other part of the show are coming out, people. You just want to tune in and watch what I go on. So just go and tune in and get back to me, you see? People, so the next part of the show right now. So I need to make sure so you're straight from here, so you're in the oven, you see me I say? So yeah, just tune in and watch what I go on to now. I'm going to drop it on the honey glazed sauce now. Make sure it's soak up in the sauce properly, you see? So yeah, people, what I'm going to do here now, the oven is on 150 degrees at the minute. So I'm going to put it in the oven for 35 minutes. As I say, because remember, I pre-cook it in the pot already. So soon as I have about 20 minutes gone on it, for the rest of the sauce will leave in the bowl, I'm going to dip it in the sauce again. And then I'll come back to it. So just go and tune in and watch how I'm going to make kitchen, is it? Yes, people, the finishing touch, that is it. We give it 35 minutes in the oven. So there you go, people. Just go and tune in and watch what I'm going in the kitchen, is it? Big up to everybody out there. Is I said, manners and respect to all. Is it?
That's the voice of the one Lord God. One Lord God. Yo, Bling. Yeah. Cook, we a cook, we a cook. Cook, we a cook, we a cook. Yeah. Cook, we a cook, we a cook. Yo, Bling got the recipe book. Yo, Bling a cook long time. And I know we mad weak, but him just a reach in a him damn, bruh.